So I'm picking up the new little Toyota. I'm coming back from Daddle, New Mexico. Cool little truck. This is the new wheeler for a while. Bought, not built. But I'm here at the VLA. It's a very large array. And I know you can't see it on the camera, but as far as you can see over the horizon, there are giant dishes like that, listening for aliens. And I don't know if you can see them, but as far as you can see in that direction, every direction from here really, there are big dishes. All kinds of them. But, got some more driving to do. Off we go. Still headed back in Albuquerque with the Toyota. And sit in traffic. Oh, accident. Oh, more broken cars. Oh, the poor little trailer. Oh, got guys doing weird shit. Anyway. So I'm here with Brandon on the Toyota project we just picked up, and there was a little mud under it. We pulled the first skid plate, and look at that. There's, 80 pounds of mud, and Brandon will show you the rest.
There is a mud skid plate down here, made of mud. You can see the oil pan, and then a dirt skid plate.
Oh yeah,
good
nice. Yeah, Tacoma door handles are great. Where else can we find mud? Oh look, here's mud. I found it right there. I need some rivets. Rivet. They're all broke. Oh god, all of them are broke. I didn't even notice before. You're right, there's a billion of these rivets missing. What's it look like under there? Tabs, but no rivets. Yeah, I'll have to get busy with the rivets to keep it quiet. I'll bet you when you're hitting, washboards and stuff, that probably makes a bunch of noise. Oh yeah. So a quick walk around this. It is bought, not built. I picked it up last week. It's a 95 Tacoma. Whatever, ran. All kinds of stuff and good parts and an ARB in the back and Alcans and Donahue extended travel in the front. The Marlin Crawler doubler. Oh, look at that fancy thing. We're gonna watch Kenny work. This is really easy on my end. Got fancy wall impact there. Look at that thing. Dang, all kinds of cool stuff under there. Always get the broom. This is good.
I drilled the holes for this mount.
Oh.
I'm not enjoying laying in the shaving.
Oh, the shavings, yeah, they are metally. More on the walk around now. Has a Warren 8000 synthetic line that everyone loves. Tires need to be rotated. You know, usual. Got most of the stickers off. It had a zillion stickers. A couple more to go on this side, and a bunch more on the other. There's some in the hood, they're gone. Oh, you can see where the sticker was. I don't know if you can see that. See where the sticker was? And, oh yeah, it trashed the paint pretty good, but we'll figure it out. Got them off the top. Got a bunch to do over here still.
Here we are again, knocking all the mud off of the Toyota. Holy moly, that don't look bad. But wait till we come over here. This was the transfer case skid plate. It has a little bit of mud, just a little bit. You know, it looks pretty normal, but it's that thick. Holy crap.
Quick update on the Ford. Front end is in. Looks like we might have to do some trimming up here.
I think I can stuff that. Now, after further looking, I think I can stuff that damn Harbor Freight winch behind here.
Yeah,
I have to put that control box.
like this one.
Yes.
Separate it.
Yes.
That's cool. It is together. So the back is sitting a little lower than the front. There's a jack lift. So I'm gonna have to tinker with the back a little bit, get a little taller so it's even. Still working on the little Toyota. So, get everything in front sort of taken care of for now, as much as we can do. This little bed was missing a ton of rivets, so we finished drilling them out. Popped in a bunch of new ones, ran out. We're about to go get some more. Found more mud. And what else we got to do? Oh, oil, huh? We'll do that later this week. Yeah, I was just mentioning paint. We're probably going to throw another coat of fancy spray-on Rust-Oleum and cover up. You can see there's spots everywhere in the cage. It's missing a little bit of black paint. Got some surface rust here and there. Knock that out. Got a little Brillo pad. We'll clean it up, throw some paint on it. Then I got to rotate tires. Back ones are nice and square. I don't know if you can see it with the front ones. Oh yeah, front ones aren't looking too happy. It's getting closer. What do you think about an antenna? I have one in here, a little white one.
Yeah.
I just need to buy the mount.
Put it on there.
Yeah, and throw it back there instead of that magnet up top. Yeah, I've got that in white sitting in the box, so that one's a little taller actually. That one's nice. Yeah, that would actually get above it a little. So,
You're welcome to it.
yeah, I think I might. That's a little taller than the white one. That would be good. I had the white one from the CJ.
What if I left my mask in
Yeah.
the truck?
More later.